Man, this is like proper Avengers setup, dude.
I thought they would have that high chair. That looks good.
High chair looks good.
Yeah. This is black color, no? See this. that is
Yeah,
fucking
but
very-
in sitting on that will be awkward because your legs won't reach.
Huh,
Right,
plus
it's
if you-
dangling.
Your legs,
Mine तो
would reach,
100%
bro.
won't reach.
Yeah, I know. It's like, man, it feels like very.
मेरा तो नीचे
it
जो
won't be dangling. There's a stand. you
मेरा
should
उस पे
put
भी
it.
नहीं पहुंचेगा
But the
bro.
thing is, this
Yeah.
won't be visible if you sit on the high chair. That is
मेरा
Yeah.
वो जो लेग
that-
स्टैंड है
yeah.
वहाँ तक भी नहीं पहुंचेगा.
नहीं,
Are
but
you the
yes,
shortest guy in the circuit in Bangalore? No, who's shorter?
I think
Shortest
I think
is
Gokul.
Kush is short.
Gokul is shorter than me.
Okay.
Kush, I'm not sure. I haven't checked. Anand also थोड़ा छोटा है मेरे साइड में.
Uh-huh.
Oh, really?
Anand is shorter than you.
yeah, but he
I
makes
hope he
it up
watches
with
this.
confidence, bro.
Yeah,
Whatever.
yeah, that's the problem. Yeah.
That makes you more rooted, bro. So you can shout more.
He's, he appears taller.
Confidence adds 10
Confidence
centimeters.
10
you know that.
centimeters, 100%.
Yes, that is true. All right.
Hi guys.
Hello, welcome to
Welcome to Bamba Mentality.
episode number 39, guys.
Wow, man.
Yes, episode
Wow,
number
we are
39th.
39th
Yes,
in this
this is the 39th
podcast.
episode, dude. Yeah.
Wow, man. What
Season
were you
1,
figuring out before
episode
you called us?
39. Actually, I don't know, dude. I just said a random number. Might not be 39. We have Abhinav Anand and Piyush Kumar with us, fellow comedians, fellow friends, and two married people.
Two
And,
married people.
That
I
is
don't-
true.
What else achievement?
Marriage is an achievement.
Marriage is an achievement, dude. Marriage, let me
That's
tell
a
you.
very good title, bro.
Yeah.
For next video, marriage is an achievement.
Marriage is
It's a good.
Oh yeah, that's a very good name, bro.
Marriage is an
Yeah.
achievement.
But why
Wow.
you not getting married, bro? Like, what are you waiting for?
What am I waiting for?
Yeah.
A lady.
Yes.
But lady, I think it's manageable.
No, dude.
No?
Please.
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 Lady तो हो जाएगा.
Lady is manageable.
Lady is
Say.
manageable.
Like we can get a guy if you are
I
ready.
mean, I mean, I don't see any problem in Somnath. Like, he can easily.
Like, if
find
you are ready
one.
to get
Bro, you
married-
come to my house, bro. You'll find
He's
all
like,
the
if you are ready to
problems.
get married, he can get you a lady tomorrow. Just like
Bro,
it's manageable.
वॉशिंग मशीन खराब होने वाला है.
जो साड़ी नहीं बेचते हो.
माइक्रोवेव इज ओल्ड, dude. मेरा गैस खत्म हो गया. Dude, how can I get married, dude?
But that's the thing,
That is a perfect reason to get
Once
married.
you have a
bro.
lady,
And-
she'll take care of that.
Bro, Indian cylinder का मेरे पास है नहीं. I have to get it.
So
You
that's
know,
why
I-
you get married, get
I don't
dowry,
have
everything
Yeah, exactly.
you'll get in dowry.
Marry a girl who has
Whatever
a
is
I'm
not
sure
working,
Odisha
you'll
Dowry,
get.
though, like, you know, it's
Yes,
there,
yes.
right?
You get a new fridge.
It's like you have to understand. Like it's not about being progressive.
Hmm.
It's about the culture. It's part of the culture. So
No,
you have to
I think
give
it's also
dowry.
about sustainability.
Yeah.
Like, you know, two
Yeah.
people using same resources more sustainable
Correct.
than
Yes,
two people using
correct.
5 resources. So
And
you should
also
get married, right?
Dowry is like it's something you give your daughter. So it's you're giving her money. So
Right.
I think
Yes,
that's
it's
such
for
a
her
gift.
future,
It's
right?
her for
It's a
her
gift,
future.
Like
It's a
how,
gift, yeah.
like
But
how.
what is her future? You, right? If you are miserable, what point of having a future?
How much did you get, bro? And,
How much did you get?
First, let him tell, then I'll tell you the real number.
yeah. Rough estimate, dude. Just to
Abhinav
give a
recently
rough-
got married, guys.
Nothing.
Yes,
nothing.
congratulations, dude.
Thank you,
Again.
bro. Thank you so much.
Uh,
We all went to Kanpur.
Yeah.
Awesome wedding.
What a city, right?
What a city,
What a
dude.
great city.
First of all, we're calling it a city, which is
The greatest city.
It's
and
a
fear.
metro.
It's a metro.
It's a metro
It's a
city.
metro
let's,
city,
let's
yeah.
be honest.
It has a metro,
Kanpur
yeah.
is a metro
Yeah,
city.
there is metro, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Dude, the first thing, I was in the cab and the driver, I asked him, like, this is how Kanpur people respond to normal questions.
हाँ.
I asked him, अच्छा यहाँ metro है? बोलता तो क्या समझा था आपने कानपुर को?
Oh my god.
He said those things.
He said those words, bro.
Direct.
Direct, bro.
Oh.
तो क्या समझे थे? छोटे गांव में आए हैं किसी? कि नहीं भाई?
What really?
How dare you question Kanpur? He was
My
basically
God,
right.
dude, my cab driver was nice guy. For some
My first
reason-
experience was very different. It was like I was getting out of airport and there is this weird system in Kanpur airport that if you land, you take a cab and you go out, then you have to pay parking fees.
Okay.
हाँ.
Okay. And the car was never parked. My only point was car was never parked, so I will never not give you parking.
That's not
fee.
really a parking fee. That is if you want to get out of this area.
Yeah.
If you want to cross that
And
gate.
Yeah, it's like
alive.
30 or 40 rupees, something like that.
If the road goes through the airport, what will I do?
Yeah.
So I told him that I'm not going to give it. Okay,
Hmm.
then they were like, okay, why? Then I was like, this will like parking fees. Okay, I'm not going to give because the car was never parked. It came, I sat, and now we are leaving.
Hmm.
So I'll not give parking fees.
Ah.
So there was a good discussion for like 10-15 minutes with a few good words, and then they're like, okay, don't give.
You had a fight?
Not fight. I mean just
Good words.
healthy
Good words. I
discussion.
heard. I heard
Adult-
good
Wow,
words.
man.
I know what good
Imagine
words
two
are.
people in car में होंगे, अरे दे दीजिए ना भाई साहब,
Yeah.
अरे क्या करेंगे
Yeah.
भाई साहब, अरे
But
पता
you
नहीं।
adults discussing a
But
system.
good words in Kanpur are different,
Yeah,
no?
very different,
Yeah.
bro.
You seriously fought with someone in Kanpur?
Landing
Bro,
and fighting, bro.
It is
Imagine.
no point. Why would I give 35 rupees? Like there's no reason.
That's
Yeah.
exactly the point. There's no
Any
point in
reason.
fighting. It's 35 rupees.
35 rupees. You
No,
answered
it
your own
matters-
question.
matters
Dude, there
to
are
me a
some
lot.
relatives I
Principles.
have who's like that. Dude, what principles? Dude, life is the first principle.
But that
He
is a problem for you. Look at him.
Yeah,
He is.
yeah.
He
Yeah,
Yeah,
that, so the
he
moment I
owns
got off
the
the car,
airport.
he's like, okay, don't give. Like,
can
please,
get away
please
with
leave
it.
right
He has
Oh,
a good
yeah.
exit view, you know, when he comes out of a
Yeah.
car, it looks manly, right?
Yeah.
I
They are like, you get in.
You know, when you sometimes you try to get off the car and you don't know how to exactly get out properly in one go. Like you either you trip
Yeah.
or you hit your
Yeah,
head
yeah,
or
yeah.
you just like all these things you do.
Yeah.
He doesn't do that, so
Yeah.
that's
Yeah.
kind of his thing.
No, but all small airports have that. Even Visakhapatnam has that parking fees.
It's damn weird.
Because
man.
I
I think every airport has that.
no, every airport has it. I think because in small airports people come in like bike and cycle, so they like give us the money so that they don't come again.
Bro, this is like just weird system. Like, why would that be in place? Like,
Because people are parking. So anybody leaves, they have to ask. That's the
I
only
know
thing.
take
they-
it in the parking area, not.
Yeah,
Bro,
that is true.
parking
That is the
is
thing.
empty.
Yes.
No, parking is empty. They need to make some money. I think that is the thing. You landed in Kanpur airport
Yeah.
or Lucknow airport?
Kanpur.
Kanpur airport.
I'll tell you the weirdest fee I paid. I mean, I went to Kashmir, so we landed in Srinagar, and we were kind of scared because, of course, it's Srinagar. We have only seen stories and
Yeah.
देखा है हमने सुना है जो भी है.
Hmm.
तो हम लोग उतरे and everybody is nice and तो छोटा सा एयरपोर्ट है, वहाँ से सामान उठा के गाड़ी तक जाना है, तो हम लोग अपना खुद लेके जा रहे हैं. And there is this old guy over there who's just talking to us in Kashmiri कि welcome to ऐसा करके कुछ बोल रहा
That
है.
is not Kashmiri. Too.
I know. I'm just trying to translate here.
It's very different than Hindi Kashmiri.
very different. Yeah,
Oh.
Kashmiri is very different. It's altogether different.
Is it like Urdu also?
Not really, man. Not really.
No?
Very different language.
Oh.
Yeah.
So it's not Urdu and it's not. How did you understand?
So I mean, because बाद में बंदा बता रहा था कि आपको
Oh,
वेलकम
अच्छा,
कर रहा है.
अच्छा.
पहले मैं लगा कि
हाँ.
कुछ बोल रहा है, डांट वाट रहा है, ऐसा लगा मैं.
हाँ, हाँ,
Piyush
हाँ,
is
हाँ.
Kashmiri, bro.
So-
Hidden Kashmiri.
Yeah.
Hidden Kashmiri.
हाँ.
I have to be like the worst Kashmiri ever, dude. Can't even
Actually,
tell.
every Kashmiri is hidden
Hidden
Kashmiri.
Kashmiri.
And
He's
then-
here on a mission, bro.
तो the mission is to stay away from Kashmir. That's the mission. तो हम लोग गए, तो हम लोग अपना सामान उठा के जा रहे हैं. वो बंदा हमारे साथ चलता गया. गाड़ी आई. And we started loading the saman ourselves. We was not even helping.
Huh.
What he was doing was, when we lift a bag, he will just put one hand and just not even lift, just touch the bag as we lift it. He's just touching the bag as like आशीर्वाद दे दे के भेज रहा है ऊपर छत पे हम लोग, ऐसा लग
So
रहा है.
he's a cab driver.
No,
He's a coolie.
no, we don't know who he is, bro. He's
Okay,
just there
alright.
with us, and we just don't know. We don't want to mess with him. Like we don't want to be the reason he becomes.
Yeah.
Somebody
fair
else,
enough.
you
Yeah,
know.
yeah.
Yeah, even
You don't want to spoil your vacation.
Yeah, I don't want to spoil that region.
So did you
Because of
find out who he was?
No, so उसने ऐसे 5-6 बार हुआ. 5-6 जो भी लगेज हमने डाला, and he just ऐसे कर रहा है.
हाँ.
और हम ड्राइवर को बाद में बोला, मैंने ड्राइवर को पूछा कि सर ही इज विथ यू, बोला कि नहीं हमारे साथ नहीं है. देन वी लाइक कि सर आप कौन, बोलता है कि नहीं मैं यहाँ पे सामान चढ़वाया ना, अब हमें 200
Paisa,
रुपये.
this is what happens. This is what happens in Calcutta also, bro. The moment you're taking out your bag, now
Yeah.
one guy will randomly come, just touch the bag, they're like, okay, 20
Touch the bag. Just touch the bag.
They
bro.
just bless the
Yeah.
luggage.
Yeah, dude. He just
You
bless the
will
luggage.
not lose your luggage.
Yeah,
Bless you.
and we just don't want to mess with anyone there.
Wow.
But that's
Yeah.
damn scary, bro. What if we don't give him the money and then we're
Did you
cocaine
pay
the packet?
200?
Yeah. Very happily we paid 200. We left.
What?
Yeah, bro.
Dude, you need him that point. Dude, you
Dude,
would have fought
I'll
him.
tell you why. Because the thing is, that's why I don't need him. Because he'll start a fight, and then my first 10 minutes in Kashmir, I'm getting beaten up by locals. That's the thing.
But why would you think you'll
That's
get
a
beaten up,
Kashmiri
bro?
welcome,
No,
bro.
but
Yeah,
why?
that's a Kashmiri welcome. Yeah. Because that's what happens. You go somewhere, and if they see कि ये तो बाहर के लोग हैं, हल्ला कर रहे हैं, तो वो घेरा बना के खड़े हो जाते
Correct.
हैं. ये होता है.
Yeah. And they will find out you are outsiders immediately, and then
Yeah.
they'll call
100%.
locals.
That
This
is,
is just assumption. assumption. This has never happened.
No, this
Like,
this
what about
happens
that?
all the time, bro.
It happens. Like he will not mess with anybody in Kanpur, but you can, right?
Yeah.
That is the
Well,
thing.
I also don't want to mess with anyone.
Yeah, I know.
Also,
I know, but you
Bro,
can. That's what I'm
You
saying.
can pass off as a Kanpur guy. You can't pass off as a Kashmiri.
Kashmiri
No
guy.
chance.
yes.
You
No
can't
chance.
cheat them. मैं भी यहीं का हूँ sir.
Yeah.
Maybe he can.
He can pass off.
He can
I
pass
pass
off
as
as
a Kashmir guy, dude.
Yeah. Just don't talk. Appa chappa dabba.
Like 99 के war में मेरी आवाज चली गई थी.
Just land there.
आवाज चली गई.
Just carry some stones.
Yeah, that dude, the same
Done.
thing happened to me at the airport. The first time I was traveling airport alone,
हाँ.
Kolkata airport. Got down, one guy came with the stroller. I'm like, oh wow, VIP treatment you
Yeah.
can. They load it, they take you till the gate. You can't go in, and it's like money. I'm like, what money? I didn't get. I went in. He can't come in to follow
Yeah,
me.
he
That's
can't
what
come
they
in.
do. That's
Yeah.
yeah.
But that is a thing like nobody does, and that they made a profession out of it.
yeah.
Like I'll just carry from here.
Dude, I've seen it anywhere. If you're in mountains, don't mess with locals. उनको बहुत जल्दी गुस्सा बहुत जल्दी आता है. They are very short-tempered people. जो भी पहाड़ी लोग हैं ना,
Huh.
very short.
That is
मैंने
so
देखा है.
not believable
Yeah,
because you are
I was
on a
in
mountain.
People are very nice over
They
there.
are nice.
Because
I'm not saying they're not nice, bro. What I'm saying is कि
This
if you
guy is not telling the real thing. Something
No,
has happened.
I'm telling you, mountain people, like, they are very concerned about the whole image and all, right? Because it's
Yeah.
a tourist is like
Exactly.
tourism is the main
Correct.
kind of source of income. So they are very concerned
Dude,
and
मैं क्यों बता
kind
रहा
of
हूँ
cautious.
मैंने कहाँ देखा पता है लद्दाख ट्रिप हम लोग जा रहे हैं बाइक चला के हम लोग सो लॉट दिस ह्यूज स्ट्रेचेस ऑफ रोड्स वेयर देयर इज नोबडी
Huh.
and suddenly there's a village of 5 houses though that 5 houses is their family okay that's all they know okay and उन्होंने एक छोटा सा दुकान खोला होगा जिसमें तो मैगी वैगी तुम्हें बना के खिलाएगा वो ठीक है तो हम क्या देखते हैं वी रीच देयर हमने बोला दुकान पे कोई नहीं है क्या देयर इज अ किड who's running that shop basically okay
Okay.
first of all
Yeah,
5
he's
साल का बच्चा
learning
है
maths while
yeah, dude, he knows I think he's already there
You take Maggie from him, don't give him money.
These are the kids at 18 years of age.
And
They have
that's what
20
we are
years
thinking कि अरे ये तो
experience.
बच्चा ये क्या है और हम क्या मतलब पापा कहाँ है मतलब पापा वो अंकल को मार रहे हैं
Wow.
we turned and we saw कि कोई ट्रक ड्राइवर था जितने वहाँ के लोकल हैं उसको
हाँ.
पेल रहे हैं बस क्योंकि उसने
Oh.
बदतमीजी से थोड़ी बात कर दी
Oh,
That's this is a tourist guy.
yeah because in those regions it's all about we are
No, this
we
is
are a group
so true because you go to like I don't know about Pahadi people, but some people don't like outsiders coming and talking to them rudely.
yeah
Mm.
they don't like that
They
bro.
even if you're not like we have like if you go to a shop and like then you can say it like that, right?
Mm.
Not like this.
No, but that's everywhere in India.
Yeah.
That's everywhere
That is
in India.
common.
That's the
But-
first kind of like I would say defense mechanism. They're like, are you from here? Like
Yeah,
I'm
they
a
take
local,
that
like,
personally, dude. How dare
Yeah.
you tell me
Yeah,
in
yeah.
my fucking village?
You came from
Exactly.
Odisha and talked to me like
yeah,
that. What the fuck?
yeah. Dude, that's why I don't travel only. Dude.
I don't talk to people, bro.
same. I don't
यहाँ
have-
लगे 99 की वॉर में मेरी आवाज चली गई थी फिर से हर जगह जाके
Yeah, travel.
What I feel like is if you are a Pahadi or you're living near a beach, shouldn't be angry. You are in a vacation spot.
Yeah.
You shouldn't be angry at
बट
all.
वही तो प्रॉब्लम है हम लोग वहाँ जाके वापस आ जाते हैं ना हमें लगता है वेकेशन है जो लोग वहाँ रह रहे हैं उनकी गांड लगी होती
Yeah,
है
yeah.
उनके लिए mall
yeah,
vacation
yeah.
है,
उनके
right?
लिए if you go to Goa you see how rude people are in Goa the localites
But the
Oh
thing is,
my god, dude! It's even the educated
Insane.
people who are from Goa are so
Insane.
racist.
very rude
I'm not
bro.
saying they are
Yeah.
not. I'm saying they shouldn't be.
हाँ,
Like,
they
what
shouldn't-
happened?
yeah.
What happened?
Yeah.
I'll tell you what happened.
Like living in
I,
mountains, dude, you're enjoying the view, good oxygen. Why are you
That's the-
angry?
Yeah, I had.
I shouldn't be.
we
I should be angry.
went to a waterfall and like I had chest pain after that some reason, right? And went to a doctor.
like some disease follows
Is there any location where you have never visited a doctor? Every location.
Yeah.
That's the thing with
dude
them,
yeah,
Yeah.
you should send your boarding pass to a doctor first सर यहाँ जा रहा हूँ सर
Sir, मैं आ रहा हूँ sir.
Yeah.
आप देख लो.
In Manali, in 9th standard, we went to Manali trip. There also there was a doctor, but everybody fell sick, not me there.
yeah
So in Goa, I went to
In
this
Kanpur
doctor.
also he was checking out hospitals.
No, I was not
What?
checking out hospital.
We were
Just be
going in a-
cautious. या
we
फिर
go in auto like, hey, there's a hospital here. Okay.
I was. and
there is a
hospital
hospital named
here.
Atmaram over there bro
He was telling us, oh, there's
Yeah,
the
yeah.
hospital. That's a hospital.
Yeah.
I'm like, come on, man.
like, what is the worst thing that has happened to you on a trip?
So I went. This is the saddest thing. Is like I went to Kedarnath with all
Yeah, that
this
bit
group,
we have heard,
senior.
yeah.
No, not that senior
Okay.
citizen group. And I was the first guy to fall sick in that.
That is actually the worst thing.
Dude,
Worst thing to
for
happen, yeah.
third day I fall. Everybody fell sick after that, but I got sick first.
Oh
but then
my
I
God.
took care of everyone after I got recovered. So in a way,
Like
I
they're
was
already
the hero.
doing good, bro. What
I
do you
was
take
the
care?
hero. I was giving them medicine, dude.
Of what? Like gas? Like
No,
basically-
fever, cold.
Basically,
yeah.
you got sick and then you gave everybody.
everybody. It's like
you got
this
recovered.
gesture of sorry.
Out of
I
guilt,
mean,
you took care of
You
them.
can twist the words, but that's not what
When you put it
happened.
like that, I look like the bad guy.
That was seriously embarrassing, dude. I was the youngest guy in that trip,
yeah.
and I was like, hell yeah.
With
dude.
least immunity.
Bro, the entire group would have bullied him. कि ये बच्चा आ गया है यहाँ पे. देखो कैसी
नहीं,
immunity
नहीं,
इसकी.
dude, I
yeah?
fought with so many old people. Dude, that I was
Like,
not
did you
backing
beat them
down.
up?
No, just verbal.
Verbal.
Dude, that reminds
All
me
were
of
fam-
when you were telling me the story the first time,
Huh.
and you told me you don't know what passive aggressive means. he was telling me, he thought passive aggressive means if you're talking to a person about some other person, you just don't have to look at that person, and that is passive aggressive.
Bro, that's passive aggressive where I come from, bro.
It's like
I
क्या
made a-
चूतिया आदमी है ये.
I made a bit out of it now. I heard it. I made a bit out of it. Passive aggressive.
that is passive aggressive, dude. I don't know what you guys are talking about. But,
I don't know which school you guys went to.
dude, I throw out. That's how I fought throw out. यहाँ ये लोग आ जाते हैं, कुछ पता नहीं इन लोग.
And he's just facing somewhere else where
Yeah,
no
yeah.
one is standing also.
They can hear him, but they
Yeah.
just don't see him.
Bro, isn't that insulting that he's not even looking at me while talking to me? Don't you think that?
No, bro. It's just he's a mad guy. Just fuck him and move on.
Mad guy.
Yes. It's like,
I disagree,
just-
dude.
yeah.
This is where
it's
I
like that
disagree.
guy talking at the bus stop, right? He's just randomly talking.
Randomly talking. Yeah, right.
No, they need to hear it, dude. Some people got pissed, really pissed. They are like,
That place pisses you off. I've seen
yeah,
that.
yeah.
You stay in mountains for a while, you get very pissed, bro. बहुत गुस्सा
really?
आता है
Yeah,
वहाँ
because
पे.
they're like, we are anyway going to like वहाँ पे शुद्धि करने जा रहे हैं एक तरह से, ठीक है, तो इससे पहले हम किसी भी गांड मारने को दिक्कत नहीं है.
True.
After this will be purified.
Correct, correct.
Do all your sins. Like, there should be a
All your
section
sins,
right
yeah.
outside.
Yeah.
Do whatever you want.
People with
here.
no sin can commit sin here.
And after that we'll start from zero. So we are good.
This is the line.
Wow, that would be a great idea.
Wow, there's like a bar वहाँ side में दारू की दुकान है, दारू का ठेका.
That's why everything, these things, just जाने से पहले should have like, दारू or take a cigarette, everything. Try
Yeah.
everything.
Do
then
everything.
go
You know
and
what? Do
purify
that
yourself.
when you go with your family, bro.
Yeah,
you
bro,
do it. I'm telling
Make
you.
them stand outside as
That's
you
a
do
good
it.
idea. But it's all money, dude. Like, it's so sad because if you don't have money, you stand in line.
Yeah,
If
yeah.
you have money, you get 500 here. 500 meters
Done.
you go.
Yeah,
500.
yeah.
That's how my sister was carrying cash, and we all went in, and
That's
people are just
everywhere.
looking.
Wow.
That
It's-
is everywhere.
Yeah, 500 you go like directly. Just cut the line, go in. That's God. You're beating God like that, dude. Like corruption.
Even here,
I think that
even
is
at
a
Tirupati,
sin.
same thing, right?
Tirupati,
You have
same.
different lines,
Yeah.
and the bigger the ticket price, the easier it will be.
Yeah,
for you
yeah,
to get
yeah.
there.
I
This is
love
one thing I've observed when you go to any of these mountains, right? They'll be like, okay, we'll take you here to some. They'll name it something like, like a green point or something. Okay, then you're
That
like,
is
okay.
so true,
And then like, what is that? There's like,
There
there's a temple over there.
Yeah.
And you go there, there's nothing.
Yeah, there's some trees.
Yeah,
Good
just
point.
tree. And somewhere where you can see another two mountains. And like, okay.
Bro,
this is
वहाँ
done.
पे Google Map पे I was going in Kedarnath, so I was looking in maps on phone. वहाँ पे एक point था Maggie Point.
Like I'm sure शाहजहां ने तो नहीं बनाया वो. Maggie Point पहले से तो नहीं था यहाँ
Bro,
पे.
I've seen a photo of Akbar eating Maggie.
Maybe the shop belongs to Akbar Khan. You don't know.
बादशाह सलामत.
Man.
So basically, these places are saying God is for rich people only.
it's
Yeah.
kind of.
Yeah, just
Yeah.
give money and go
Yeah.
in.
What it means is that it's business. Okay, at the
Yeah,
end of the
it's
day,
business.
yeah, that's it.
And I don't see anything wrong in that, to
Yeah.
be honest.
Yeah.
Because I cut the line.
That's why I don't see wrong
Yeah,
in
yeah.
it.
No,
Now
nothing
that I
wong.
can pay money for it, I
Yes.
think it's the best.
Yes, it's the
Yeah,
best.
it's
But
the
why,
best.
why stand in line when you can
Yeah.
pay
Yeah.
money, right?
Why stand in line when you can pray anywhere?
Yeah.
True. That is also true.
Why stand in line? Why go there if you can pray anywhere? Like,
Yeah.
just pray anywhere in the world. Why do you need
Exactly.
to go to
Why
one
pray?
place?
Why pray?
pray?
Simple.
Who's listening?
Then next is why? Next is why?
Just do a
Why-
podcast.
why?
Yeah.
Just do a podcast and let it be. Like, to say all your prayers on the podcast.
Yeah, like a prayer is like a podcast with God, right?
That's it. 1 to 1.
But no,
Prayer is a podcast,
Podcast with God,
That's
bro.
good. That is true. Nice. I think it's a one-sided podcast.
It's a one-sided
There is
podcast.
No guest.
There's only
Yeah.
one viewer.
he's only
Yeah.
listening, not replying back.
Man.
One view you get.
Yeah. Dude, the worst thing you were talking about how viewpoints, right?
Yeah.
You go to any city in Rajasthan, they will take you to one palace and be like, यहाँ से वो fort दिखाई देता है.
Hmm.
And then they'll take you to that fort. अब
हाँ.
यहाँ से वो palace दिखाई देता है. That's it. That's it. Save just.
That is hilarious.
Yeah, I was in Lucknow, okay. So I was
Yeah.
going to visit this Imam Baras and all. तो वहाँ पे
Oh,
क्या था ना कि
funniest.
you know just इसके नीचे बहुत सारी सुरंगें हैं जो ये कहाँ जाते किसी को नहीं पता. So I was like, what do I do with this information? Like, he just told it कि एक सुरंग दिल्ली जाती है, एक सुरंग बंगाल जाती है.
Yeah.
What do I do with this information?
Yeah,
I can't
and
even
there is
go
no
there.
way
No
they
to
can
verify
prove
it also.
You
Yeah,
can't
yeah,
even
nothing.
I'm like, all
Let's
that
go to
all-
Delhi.
And all children in the group said, oh, दिल्ली जा सकते हैं यहाँ से. I was like,
Yeah.
"Ah."
I won't kid you. You will think I wrote this, but मेरे दोस्त ने फोटो भेजी. He was in Lucknow. इमाम बाड़ा गया. कहीं दीवार पे एक जगह he found this photo and लिखा है कि पीयूष भड़वा है. He sent me a photo of this. It's written
Bro,
over
I'm
there.
sorry, dude. I'm sorry.
But it might be.
I was there a couple of years ago.
It might be general thing, bro. Might be all Piyushs are like that. You
Yeah,
never know.
yeah, yeah.
It's a name thing, I guess.
It's a name.
Yeah.
Yeah.
जो भी भड़वा होता है उसका नाम पीयूष ही
Bro,
निकलता है.
Lucknow, that Imam Bada, whatever.
Imam Bada, yeah,
Imam-
yeah.
Dude, that road,
on, man.
the roads are made of like stones.
Yeah, yeah.
वो अभी भी उस पे पिच्चू रोड नहीं डाले हैं, dude. It's
हाँ.
like stone road.
Stones
What the
only,
fuck
yeah.
is Pichu Road, man?
Pitch road.
Pitch road,
Okay.
pitch road. In Odisha, we call it Pichu road.
Yeah, this is the first time I heard it.
You took an English word and just put a U in the end.
Yeah.
Stone roads are there near a lot of temples I've seen. Like
Yeah,
they
yeah.
try to keep it like old.
Most of the
Yeah.
places,
It's
yeah.
like
yeah.
Imam Bada, right? Like if you take a guide route, I mean, because these guides, right, they want to earn money.
Ah.
Obviously, they don't know a lot of stuff, so they have to come up with it. You know,
Yeah.
they write at home. bro.
Yes, yes,
Like
yes.
they come up with. So like they'll say stuff like just to fill in the gaps. He'll be like कि आपको खिड़की दिख रही है 1547 में वहाँ से हवा अंदर आती थी. that's the kind of things.
Maybe he's open micing, bro.
Yeah, I'm sure वो
Yeah,
tight हो
yeah,
जाएगा कभी ना कभी.
कभी ना
Maybe,
कभी
yeah.
he would have
ये जो
tags.
दरवाजा है इससे राजा दूसरे कमरे में जाते
It
थे.
is so,
Of course he
bro,
did,
it
of
is
course.
so true because we were in that one of those Lucknow palace
हाँ.
and there was a painting of these good paintings.
Mm.
He's saying that you look at this painting from any angle, it looks like it's looking at you.
Once you say that, once you say that, that will happen.
Because you are looking at it, dude. He's not looking at you.
You are looking.
But I think a guide has a different story for every different group. Like he just
Yeah,
gauges कि
yeah,
यहाँ पे कितना
yeah,
पैसा
yeah.
मिल सकता है.
मुझे याद है, dude, and I was wowed for one day. I'm like, yeah, that is true. Then I'm like, that makes no sense.
Dude, I also done that. I went home and there was some poster in my home. I was trying to see.
Yeah.
Does
Is
it
Louis
work
looking
here
at me?
also?
Yeah.
Louis is looking at me.
From any angle. That's what they did. Lucknow is that, dude. You go there.
In Taj Mahal also, like when we went, there's down there you can go, right? So there was some stairs. He took us there. This guy, he didn't come with us. He came with somebody else. So
Oh.
he's just giving them tour.
Oh,
We are just going because my dad doesn't trust anybody. So he's like, we will see whatever we want to see.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
don't
Right?
tell us what it is.
And he saw that we are also coming, so he tried to get us.
Hmm.
We're like, yeah, मैं बताता हूँ क्या है. So he's just showing a nala type of thing, and he you know,
So true that is.
नाला type of thing. इधर से पानी आता है, like इधर से पानी जाता है. I'm like, wow, this is
Dude,
They
this is
thought of
great
it that
information.
time, huh?
This is what you do. Go to any tourist place and suddenly start looking. 100 people will start looking.
Yeah,
yeah.
Yeah,
That's the best way to
Whoa.
create a bottleneck in traffic is also that. You know, some guy just stands and like देख रहा है वहाँ पे. That's it.
Yeah, yeah,
Everyone
yeah,
will just
yeah.
stop and see.
Yeah.
And he was giving excuses also कि अभी पानी आना बंद हो गया क्योंकि यमुना का जो लेवल है कम हो गया
कम
है,
हो गया है.
वरना रेगुलरली आता है,
Yeah, like
रेगुलरली
weather
जाता है,
forecast.
सब बोलता है. He's
So
just
he's
telling us
not a
everything.
tourist guide.
Can you believe he doesn't have to change this line for next 1,000 years?
Yeah.
वहाँ पानी नहीं आएगा bro.
He's just telling us
As
everything.
long as
It's
that
like,
place
you should be
exists.
like, हाँ न्यूज़ में भी वही बोल रहे थे कि यमुना का पानी कम
Fun
गया.
कम आ रहा है.
Yeah. But man, that is so scary that the driver treated you like that in Kanpur. Like, आपको क्या लगा छोटा
That was
गाँव है?
Kashmir.
No,
No, this was Kanpur.
This was
I get treated
Kanpur.
badly
This
everywhere,
Kanpur?
wherever I go.
No.
But you paid up money, 200 rupees.
No, that is Kashmir.
That is
No,
Kashmir.
He's
Other
talking
story.
about the driver.
He's been treated like that. That's what he's saying.
Everywhere. He has been
Wherever
treated
you go,
like
you get
that.
treated
No,
like
I'm
that.
in Goa. I went to the doctor. He asked.
He
where
is
you
the
from?
problem.
They immediately asked where you from. Said Odisha. He had no problem with Odia people. Then he started his rant, bro, against North Indians.
Oh.
They come here. They ruin everything. People
Is
from.
this because they think Odisha is like somewhere in the middle, not north?
They think
south?
Odisha is like they don't like they let them be.
They don't
It's
have a
like-
bone in this fight,
They,
so-
They don't care.
They don't care basically. So
I mean, depending on where you're from, they'll bitch about the other states.
True.
That's the strategy.
yeah, and I'm like, this guy's a doctor, dude. How is he racist like this?
Who was?
Yeah.
Bro, I think everyone is rated. There's irrespective of
True.
profession, everyone
As
is
we have
racist.
recently
Yeah.
learned from NEET exam leaks, not everybody works hard to become a doctor. he was busy being racist.
yeah.
Dude, the one of the shows last week somewhere, there were people, doctors who kind of got into the university when the exam leak happened, the NEET.
Huh.
So I was like, are you guys sure? Like, people will come to you if you tell them which batch are you from.
Yeah.
Last show also
yeah.
there was one lady and she says she's a doctor and I was not on stage. I was behind some guy who I don't know which comic. He was like, did you ever fail in exam? He's like, yeah. She's like, yeah, I failed. I'm like, damn, I can't trust them. They're failing in
Yeah.
exams and becoming doctors.
I think I've seen few of the doctors do guesswork also. कि अच्छा ये काम नहीं किया, ये करके देखो.
Ah,
What the fuck, man?
We call them Ayurvedic doctors. Bro.
Homeopathy.
Homeopathy.
Now they are real doctors, dude.
Yeah, they are now.
There's no differentiation. There's
My parents do it, right? My mom, so this is how my mom operates with doctors, okay? She'll go to Ayurvedic clinic, get all the medicines possible. Like, if you go to Ayurvedic clinic, they won't give you 2 medicines, they'll give you 1000 medicines.
Yeah.
Like a box full of just tablets, syrup, whatever they
Yes.
have, जो भी stock खत्म करना है सब दे देंगे तेरे को.
Whatever medicine it is, they are making it
हाँ.
separately, but
Yeah.
they work together only. There is no other option.
No other option. They can't make one medicine
Yes.
to after mixing them.
Yes,
It
they
has to
can't
be 3
mix.
different
Yeah.
medicines.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then after 1 month she'll be like कि एक काम करते हैं साथ में होम्योपैथी भी शुरू कर देते हैं कोई तो काम करेगा.
Yes.
And then we go to a homeopathic clinic. वो बंदा भी कुछ पता नहीं सारी
Yeah,
tablets
yeah,
लिख देते
yeah.
उसमें तो बस गोलियां हैं and he will
And
you
what?
don't know what he's putting
Sugar
in there.
water.
Right? हाँ yeah dude. And
Dude, I was at a homeopathic clinic recently and I was looking at their cupboard and I'm not kidding. There was a two medicine bottles. One was called green, one was called pink. Dude.
both of them are white.
No. I'm saying how is their technical name green?
Green. Yeah.
What is the difference?
That's how simple the science is.
But I think it's the best thing for a colorblind guy.
Yeah,
Just
dude.
name the bottle
There is
green
no-
so that you
Yeah.
don't embarrass yourself. Like,
Yeah.
Wow.
That's
You
what
are colorblind, right? That's why you said that.
You would never know.
Yeah. That's why I thought it's
I've
like,
forgotten who all I've told this
I
to.
thought it's like green is for the guys, pink is for the girls.
Dude, you are ready to be a homeopathic doctor.
Yeah, I think we should give him certificate right now.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm qualified now.
You're ready for
Randomly, I
homeopathy,
told
bro.
few people that I'm colorblind, and now every time they meet me, they're like, "Okay, what is that color? What is that color?" And I also just keep guessing, like, okay, this might be this.
But are
color.
you really colorblind?
Well, we'll find out someday.
He is,
Someday.
bro.
You're
He is.
colorblind.
Yeah.
Someday when he jumps a red
Like,
light, we'll know.
Dude, I am not colorblind, but I don't know the names of colors. So it's like we are same boat.
Huh.
Don't know the
Well, I
same.
don't think colors have evolved a lot. Like there is like magenta, light magenta. I don't know.
Yeah, I
what
just
all.
know primary
Turquoise-
colors, dude.
turquoise
Primary
is
green, brown,
Turquoise.
Well, is brown primary color? No.
Let's say.
Green,
Yeah, yeah.
blue,
Blue,
red,
red, blue,
Let's
green.
do it.
red,
Let's
blue,
do
green, RBG. Right?
Let's not talk about things we don't know.
Black, white, and brown, bro. That's primary colors.
That's
That's
primary
RBG,
Russell
bro,
Peters
red, blue,
special.
green.
Yeah.
Yeah, for
Primary
guys
colours.
it's black, brown, and dark blue. Three.
Yeah. Violet, magenta, lilac.
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 I thought that was a pet name, like the animal name or something.
I don't know. I think that's a color name.
Lilac is a color.
No,
I
no,
don't
know.
I
Yeah, I
think
I
so.
think I am lavender.
Lavender is a color.
Yeah.
Then I think there is a lot of sort of blue, like azure is a blue color.
Cyan.
AZ.
Azure.
Azure is blue.
Azure.
Cyan.
Yeah,
One
see.
cyan is there.
We are
Cyan is
all-
there, bro.
We are all color illiterate, bro. We're not color maybe.
We're all colorblind.
I can pick colors using Photoshop, but I can never name
Yeah,
them.
yeah. We
No.
can choose.
Nobody.
Okay, this looks good.
This looks good.
हाँ, no names.
It's
and
like
all.
sometimes you see something you can like wish you can point at it and like put it on your phone and figure it out. Okay, this is
Yeah,
what
there
color
should be a
is
Shazam for colors, right? You just fucking scan
Look at
it.
and say what
it
color
won't
it
work,
is.
bro. Android picks a different color than iPhone.
Yeah, that is true.
That is true.
There is no
That
way
is so true.
that idea is working.
They can have like if the phone is Android this color, if it's iPhone this color.
Just the camera quality will decide what color you get.
Yeah.
You have a Vivo phone, it'll just say blue. That's all. Blue color hai.
Man,
Yeah,
but
Vivo phone photos are actually
Good.
extra bluish, right?
Extra-
No,
they-
bro,
lot
they
of-
they just take the photo फिर उसपे image processing कर देते हैं.
हाँ.
Like, you know, like any photo that I've taken from Vivo phone में dark circles है ही नहीं उसमें.
Oh.
Yeah, my
nice.
eyes are smaller in those.
China. Then that is not your
It's not your photo.
It's my photo.
Dude, imagine,
It's some Chinese guy.
imagine a Chinese phone that whatever photo you take, it'll turn into a Chinese person.
Bro,
No matter what.
there was a scam, okay. इसमें यही था ना कि Samsung का zoom quality they were showing.
Yeah,
You can
yeah,
zoom
yeah.
into the moon, okay.
Yeah,
And there was
yeah.
this, I think someone called it out कि you know what they did was कि any sphere, okay, which is white in color, if you point it to it, तो Samsung वो चांद का ही photo दिखाएगा.
Oh, yeah. That is true. That's true. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
This is
they
I
were
think
they were
Zuckerberg
processing
shit.
like
Yeah,
that.
they've done that, yeah.
Correct.
Someone.
So you're not even
Man.
looking at, you're not looking at actual moon. It's just an
Yeah.
image of the
Just
moon.
a white
Yeah.
sphere, you place it over here.
zooming in, some
Yeah.
bald guy comes in. That is the moon.
Then
Wow.
then what happened? It got caught and they changed it. ऐसा कुछ.
I don't think anyone cares about Samsung now.
I saw 2 reels regarding
Come on.
this.
There are very
Oh, dude,
Samsung enthusiasts
fans
out
are
there.
there.
Ultra 24 was selling out like crazy.
But
Yeah.
that is so funny, bro. If you have,
That is so
imagine something, they change your face to Chinese. Just because.
Actually, I'll show you that picture also sometime. Like everyone in the family, their eyes are smaller. Like,
Like
you
in
know.
North Korea, all the
Chinese
phones work
phone,
like
bro.
that, bro.
What can you expect?
North Korean phone, bro. किसी की भी फोटो लो, किम जोंग उनका फोटो आएगा.
Same hairstyle.
Same hairstyle photo. All the phones are inbuilt.
I think there would be a phone in North Korea, dude.
Yeah,
I don't
sure.
think they are importing any phones.
100%.
I think there is
don't
one
know.
phone in North
Yeah,
Korea, bro.
yeah.
One
I
phone.
don't think anybody knows that phone invention हुआ है. Like, you know, they just that's.
North Korea, yeah, landline.
It is
bro.
what is possible.
Yeah.
They have landline.
Their phone
I
with
think they have STD booths.
Kim
and all.
phone
Bro,
only.
pigeon, bro.
Kim phone
Pigeon.
होंगे.
You know that
It's
experiment they did
impossible.
जिसमें 2 डब्बे में रस्सी बांध के एक यहाँ कान में लगाया दूसरा वहाँ से बोल
It
रहा है.
works,
I
works,
think
man.
That's what they are
Yeah.
at,
It
right?
works if
As
you're
a
at
kid
this
with it.
distance because
Yeah.
you can just
anyway
hear
hear it.
clearly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Science.
Plus, maybe in North Korea it works for a long distance. I don't know.
Maybe.
The land is different,
Yeah.
mysterious. We don't know anything.
Have you seen the drone shots of North Korea? And they will play this music to make you look like, oh, wow, it must be something bad. Because normally, like, if you look at a normal 2-tier town with some buildings and then just villages around, right? That's what it looks like. But they'll play this very ominous music in the background. Ki, oh,
Dun, dun,
this
dun,
guy
dun.
took this drone
मैंने
shot
देखा नहीं, I've not
of
seen
North
it.
Korea, and oh, you'll be shocked to see.
But how are
कुछ
the
नहीं हो रहा.
drones?
But I have
it is not
every-
allowed, no?
No. So from South Korea, they'll just put a drone up, और जो border towns हैं, they'll just try to cover some of them.
So
from
that's why
there.
what North Korea did recently was they, you know, packed shit in these bags, okay?
Oh my
and
God,
balloons
yeah.
ke through they send it to
हाँ.
South Korea with the wind flow.
That though I saw that news.
They start playing loud music. That's how they fight.
Huh.
North Korea plays big woofers and they play the music. They're like, "Can you please?" Like that's like you complain.
Like a regular neighbor.
yeah,
Like a bad neighbor.
like a bad neighbor. They are. They
They
are
are
the
just
That's better,
messing.
right? That saves a lot of budget
Yeah.
on army
Yeah,
and all, right?
yeah.
Just
Yeah,
play
yeah,
music.
yeah.
Yeah.
because North Korea.
That is their nuclear weapon.
Yeah, they are saying they have it. So you don't know the crazy motherfuckers.
No,
dude.
that is their nuclear weapon. You press the
That's
red,
all.
Woofer.
I
red
think
button,
that-
music plays.
That's what he thinks nuclear weapon means.
No, bro, I think they'll have versions of singers and all. Like if you play Honey Singh, that's not a great weapon. Then
Okay,
you get,
they
then
have
you get
version.
Diljit Dosanjh and they're like, oh my god.
Yeah.
पंजाबी आ गए ओए नॉर्थ कोरिया में.
North Korea's like, from where?
Kanpur is like little like North Korea, bro.
Yo.
That was the greatest segue I've ever heard. Kanpur is like North Korea.
Bro, seriously.
The driver
I felt
when he
like that.
when he said that, what did you say after that?
Nothing. We both laughed.
Oh, you both of you laughed?
Yeah,
Both the driver laughed.
He laughed.
I laughed.
अरे मैं तो मजाक कर रहा था भैया. अरे मैं तो
Good point, good point.
अब तो seriously ले लिया, मैं तो मजाक कर रहा था. That's what you said.
Like, please, मेरी बीवी है.
No man, you're traveling with your.
Oh, that is
wife
also, yeah. very
Yeah,
risky,
that's you get scared. Otherwise you would have fought, no?
No, bro. Even then, I won't fight.
Yeah, I don't think Piyush fights, like, you know.
No,
just
no
like,
fighting and all.
Yeah, we can look at
Whatever you like.
he can't. He cannot fight.
Yeah.
I mean, he doesn't fight. Sorry.
Wow, man. Grammar mistake.
Great
man.
wedding, dude.
But I'm sure, like, everybody who came, very good decision to come.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
yes.
we
Yeah,
had
it
fun.
was fun.
Most-
It was fun.
The best part was it was in an army area, right? So it was
So felt so safe.
nice.
That was not Kanpur, dude. Where
That
you
was not
got
Kanpur.
married,
Like
that
Like I
was
said,
not
right?
Kanpur.
You won't
Yeah, I
feel like
mean,
Kanpur
A
there.
lot of
Yeah.
things were not allowed, like crackers and all were not allowed.
Hey,
so,
that is
like,
fine.
yeah.
It's great that they were not allowed.
Yeah.
It's
Just
okay,
another
dude. It's enough.
responsibility, right?
Yes, another.
पटाखे फोड़ने पड़ेंगे.
Oh my
I was
God.
planning to give it to you guys, that you guys burst
Yeah,
the
see,
cracker.
यही तो problem है. That is the problem. घूम फिर के सब इधर ही आ रहा है.
Bro,
For
he,
some reason, he thinks that we are very eager to do all
Yeah.
this stuff.
No, I
dude,
was
he
like,
just told one guy, मुझे पता नहीं था यहाँ metro है, and he almost got beaten up.
Beaten up.
You want us
You
to-
want us to burst crackers in that city.
That day, dude, so many weddings. While going to that place where you're getting married, dude, like there's some 15 weddings we crossed.
After the wedding, this Anand and Gautam, they left early because they had to
Catch a
pack.
flight.
2 hours before us.
2 hours before us, and we left 2 hours, and we reached almost similar
Same
time.
We reached 10 minutes after them.
Nothing made me happier than that.
Dude, I
Your
was
wedding
so
didn't
happy.
make me as happy.
Seriously.
I remember I called Jyoti. I was like, where are you? He was like, we are coming, we are coming.
So everywhere we were getting stuck, dude. कितना weddings था
So
उस
many
time?
weddings, yeah.
Apparently, that was the only time where.
Yeah, it's a
हाँ.
very
I think
good
last
number.
wedding season, like, there was a number of days you can get married.
Very
like,
less
was
this
less,
time,
less
no?
And
Yeah,
when
yeah.
we came back, all of us were doing same Kanpur jokes.
Yeah,
For one week,
yeah, for one week, same
everybody
jokes,
is like,
everybody same bit.
bro, I'm also doing it. Dude, you're also doing it. And then we realized, oh, Gujral and Saab has done it.
It's not easy, bro.
It's not easy.
That's what I realized. It's not easy
It's not
to make
easy.
fun of Kanpur.
No
Yeah,
chance,
yeah,
no
yeah.
chance. If you first, like, you don't plan to tour in Kanpur, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So in that way, you are safe. Other than
You
that,
were not there on the day one, right?
I was there.
You-
I just
no,
No, no,
He-
he,
late.
He came late. Yeah,
Yeah.
he was there.
We
yeah.
were there, no?
He got to experience a lot of other things.
Before Haldi,
Yeah.
there was some plan that he had a plan that we'll go to the lady's house,
Huh.
Bhabiji's
Yeah.
house,
Huh.
and we will just surprise her, do some dhol and all, dance and all.
Yeah,
ठीक है?
yeah, yeah.
We're like, okay, ठीक है. You were also not there. He was
I
also
He was
not there.
late,
I came late. Yeah.
Haan.
My flight landed.
You came for Haldi directly,
Yeah, yeah.
right?
Mm.
So we got dressed up, we left, and this dhol guys are like, they were trying to sit in the, what do you say, Tata Sumo tha, Safari tha, whatever, the car, and there was no space. Everybody's just, so they said we'll come in our bike,
Scooty, yeah.
bike and scooty. So on one bike, 3 guys are sitting and with one dhol, okay, and they are just following us, and we reach, and these guys are gone. They're not there.
They've not reached. Yeah.
They've not reached.
Huh.
And he starts calling them like, where are you, where are you? He's either not picking up the call or he's just saying, like, we are reaching sand location. Some drama is happening, huh? And then he comes after 30 minutes. By
45
that time,
minutes, yeah.
he's angry. He has started yelling at people, and he's like, "Let's leave, bro. They can see we are here. What is the point of what is the point of
There's no
surprise?"
surprise now.
That's like you bend down to propose to a girl and you don't have a ring.
yes,
Bro, worse. The girl has left.
The
only bent down, the girl has
Now
left.
just 2 guys standing outside their house, and this guy's wearing a hoodie and everything.
No, it's
It
not
looks
just
strange.
2 guys that we can hide. It's whole group dressed in all yellow.
Yeah.
Oh, all
my
cousins.
God.
You know, few friends.
You know they are from the wedding.
Oh my god.
No surprise
Did they come after 45 minutes?
Yeah.
Listen, what happened? Then the one maid, this bride's maid,
Yeah,
comes
that's
out. She's going home, I guess. She comes. He is hiding, bro. He's running away. Okay. There was this guy next to me. I don't know. He was panicking or he was nervous, but he was telling me the obvious things.
Yeah.
Oh,
there
yeah,
was
the
one
Mr. Obvious.
Yeah, Mr. Obvious, Captain
Obvious
Obvious.
guy.
Yeah.
We called him
Captain
Captain Obvious.
Bro,
I
आप-
know who is that.
You don't know?
You-
हम लोग पूरे शादी में उसी के
He was the best, bro.
You shouldn't know his name.
Yeah.
Okay.
I can tell you, but I won't tell you.
Yeah.
Alright? So his name is Captain Obvious. He
Captain
was
Obvious.
So you are angry, you are hiding. This guy is like, ये ढोल वाले लेट आएंगे तो गुस्सा तो आएगा.
I remember now because उस पूरे आफ्टरनून हम लोग यही ऐसी बातें करने लगे थे,
he was
right?
talking exactly like that for
खाना हम लोग ऐसी बात करें, खाना मुंह में डाल के तो चबाना तो पड़ेगा.
Oh, this also happened.
Bro, we went on the first day when we were having that Sangeet, he was like, ठंड पड़ रही है, खाना ठंडा हो जाएगा.
during Haldi when they were taking your photos, right? You were standing on that thing.
Oh,
right?
that was so
and he was
funny.
like, photographer आया तो photos तो लेगा ही.
Dude,
Why did you tell me this?
dude, the worst part, this is the same guy. Everybody's having fun. It's the like the one of the most important days of your life. सब आपकी photos ले रहे हैं, हल्दी लगा रहे हैं लोग, and this guy goes to the photographer. और कितना time लगेगा? The same guy, bro.
Yeah, there are people like that.
Same
bro.
guy, bro.
Yeah,
और कितना
yeah.
time लगेगा? Asking the photographer.
Wow, he was doing so many obvious lines. I was
This
like,
same guy, he's like मेरा fun खत्म हो गया, अब तुम भी fun बंद करो.
yeah, that is the guy.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Mr.
I didn't know about this angle. Like I would have also joined.
shouldn't know about
yeah,
this.
yeah.
Bro,
We didn't tell you any of the fun things
First
that
of all,
happened.
when you're getting married, you can't have fun.
Yeah,
Yes,
that's
you
true.
get married, bro.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah,
your
you
fun.
were.
I realized that weddings, Indian weddings specifically, I think it's more about the bride. You know, like
Yes,
for
you realize
guys,
it now, bro.
Every wedding, but it makes sense because
Dude, throughout the world it is like that.
Yeah.
yeah.
It's for the bride.
Yeah.
You can't even. So the thing is, in your wedding, you were working throughout.
Throughout,
We
yeah,
were
yeah.
having fun.
Yeah.
Oh yes, yeah, I agree.
You always have fun. Like your close relatives' wedding, you can't have fun because you're working.
Yeah.
Your own wedding, you can't have fun. Friends' wedding, best, bro.
Yeah, if your sister, you can't have fun.
Bro, इतनी
No
शराब
chance,
इतनी
no
शराब
chance.
मैंने कभी नहीं पी लाइफ में एक साथ.
Wow, you drank that much?
कभी
Bro, he
नहीं
was
पीता मैं.
out. 90%
You
of
were
the time
out.
he was
You
out.
were
Oh, the
out.
way he was dancing,
He
I was
was
like this
singing
guy.
with that uncle who's dude. I'm telling you.
Oh, that was so funny.
If we were not there, something would have happened to you. You might have ended up waking up in his hotel room. I'm telling you.
I think something would have happened to Gotham, like you know.
That is
yeah,
also
for sure.
possible. This guy and him were like
and
completely.
that uncle said, I like young boys.
No, that was next day.
Oh, that was next day,
So
huh?
what happened was he saw us after the barat and he immediately came to us and we said something. He laughed and he's like, I don't know, guys. The older I'm getting, the more I like younger men. And we're like, Somnath sir, Somnath too, sir.
I was so awkward. That guy was saying whatever is coming to his mind.
Yeah,
dude. He was looking at like he looked at Anand. Iska kuch nahi hoga or something like that.
So,
And then Anand got viral on Instagram.
that Bharat thing, that day only he sang, right? On
Yeah,
the day.
same
Of,
day, same
so
day.
what happened? Like the
This
thing I
also I
remember.
didn't know for a long period
So
of time.
what
I
happened,
was
right?
not aware,
We are dancing. We danced till the gate.
Yes,
okay,
yes,
this
yeah.
guy is singing also. So he's entering the venue while humming something. Uncle is like, "Oh, गाना गाते हो बेटा? हम भी गाना गाते
Then
हैं."
he like held my hand like this.
हाँ.
Bro, I need that footage of him and
Yeah,
him
yeah,
duet
yeah.
singing.
Is there-
Yeah, bro,
together.
there is a video. है डाला था I think.
Nahi.
No,
No.
I think that is with Neha. I don't have it.
Yeah, that your wedding day that is required, bro. That was fun.
Because you know, it looks like I'm singing, but it's not letting me sing also. If you notice,
Yeah,
उसने mic ऐसे मेरे मुंह के पास लाएगा, I'll be like, ऐसे हटा देगा.
yeah.
Like, what?
Yeah.
You're missing the beat.
He tried to sing with the professional
Yeah,
singer
yeah.
and he
Yeah, yeah.
politely said no. Like,
Yeah,
which is understandable, dude.
That
Yeah.
guy, because he was paid for this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And he doesn't want to say no to a guy who can very easily get
Who
him.
is part of the people who are
He can
paying?
make him disappear forever.
Oh yeah, he looked like that guy.
He looked like that.
But then you realize that it's like if you're a singer, in that it's so easy to do corporate gigs, bro. If you're a singer,
Yeah.
Yeah,
Like
yeah,
in
yeah.
comic, it's like
Everywhere it's
insane,
easy
bro.
if you're a
Yeah.
singer.
Because you can disappear.
First of all,
They
you have
don't
to.
care. They're not looking at you.
exactly.
Yeah,
That's
but
the best part.
also
Yeah.
you are singing those songs which you didn't write.
Yeah, that's
It's
the
already
that's
written.
the best part actually.
Correct.
Rhythm is
Just
already
cover,
set.
yeah.
People have a good recall also,
Yeah.
so they
Yeah.
enjoy it.
Yeah.
Exactly.
More the older the song, they will enjoy it more. The nostalgia works more.
But I agree, dude. Like,
True.
if it was not us, the group of us, and we were Abhinav's friend, गायब हो जाते हम लोग. The things we said that night, that Sangeet night.
Oh yeah.
Did
कुछ ना कुछ तो
your
होता है
manager
हमारे
say anything, dude? Ex-manager, because we
No.
said a lot of things to.
It's not my experience.
जो रैक किया तुम लोग ने उस बंदे को यार.
Dude,
by
oh
God.
yeah, dude, he stopped coming near us,
Next
bro.
morning, he saw us having breakfast. He just went to a table, sat alone, bro.
Yeah.
We are like sitting
ये
here.
माधुर गौतम bro मैं बता रहा हूँ पता है.
Don't say name. Cut it out, bro.
I don't care, bro. I'm not. गौतम से नहीं डरना है guys.
no, I'm just.
He didn't say his name, no.
What was his name though?
No, he's not my ex-manager.
He's not your
Just a-
ex-manager?
Yeah, senior in the
So
team.
name is not needed.
No, he's not right.
Yeah.
Perfect.
But dude, Gautam fucking-
Dude,
Gautam took his place,
everybody
man.
roasted him.
True.
No, we were not
I
roasting.
did.
Like we started with talking, and he was like okay with it, and we said like we will after getting drunk, we will be saying something. Don't take
Dude,
it.
see, that's the thing.
wrong.
हमें लग रहा है हम roast नहीं कर रहे हैं, bro. But
हाँ.
for the outside world, right? For
Yeah.
civilians,
For the outside
No,
world,
no,
yeah.
that was
That's very
bullying.
bad.
It was
That's
not
bullying,
roasting,
pure
it was
bullying, bro.
Yeah.
हमें लग रहा है कि oh, we are so innocent. We are just being nice to him.
Yeah.
I
No,
remember-
I didn't think that.
I
Not
remember
at all.
I was also getting high, okay, and after a point Somnath told something and I was like, what the fuck? Because yeah, because Somnath was like, after you're all drunk, you're all mine.
Yeah,
you said that. After you get drunk, you're all mine.
He might have said.
didn't say
He
it.
might have
Stop
said
touching
that.
him.
Stop touching him.
I didn't say it.
Go back to Kedarnath once more, bro.
Yeah, you have to go.
You have
for-
committed sin.
Man, when you're drunk, you don't remember what you said. Dude. Next day, dude, we
Well,
were.
that's the thing. You guys were all drunk. I was not that. So
Yeah,
I had
yeah,
like memory fresh.
I remember next day we were sitting in the bed watching MTV, dude.
And then he took the picture in which he looks like a pregnant lady.
Yeah.
He was the dad.
He look like he's the baby.
He's a nurse.
He's the baby.
He's the nurse, bro.
Like I gave birth to an 18-year-old baby.
Oh, dude, we sent that photo to MTV and like I panicked. What is the name? John Abraham. I put.
That's why they didn't post it.
Kanpur se John Abraham.
Just to give context to the people who are listening,
Yeah.
MTV pe there is a show where
Yeah.
people can send. They give a number. You can send their your photo with some hashtag, and
Yeah.
they'll show it on the show as the music is playing.
You
Wow.
can request a
Yeah.
song and
Yeah,
just
you
do all
request a
this.
song
It's
and just.
very
You
2000s.
guys did all that? You
Yeah,
actually sent the
Yeah,
picture?
yeah,
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 yeah.
हम लोग बहुत बोर
I
होते
have
थे।
that in my phone.
We'll post the
तो
photo
the
here.
photo you saw, right? Which में हम लोग लेटे हुए थे साथ में।
हाँ, हाँ,
yeah.
That
Like
is the photo
that
we
is the
sent.
That's the photo we sent,
They
bro.
Pregnant Piyush.
Pregnant Piyush. Yeah.
Father Patro. Nurse party.
Yeah, it's
Man,
called
we were
the
bored and
hashtag
yeah.
greatest
Yeah.
blessing.
Actually, you guys were very bored. That's why
Yeah, we
you
were
TV
so
also.
good. We were
No, we just woke up that time.
We were
right?
hungover, half
हाँ वही
hungover.
मतलब सर
we
दर्द हो ही
were-
रहा था पूरे
Yeah,
दिन।
yeah,
It was
we had
afternoon.
headache. We didn't even leave the bed.
Anand was sleeping on the
This
sofa.
guy, this
Yeah.
guy came and we were like, yeah, you also join. And then we took a photo.
We started with masturbation stories.
I don't
Why
remember that.
touching each other?
I don't remember
Yeah,
that.
Under the blanket.
What were we talking about?
Yo, you don't remember?
I don't remember.
Very conveniently don't remember that one part of the stories.
Let me filter that part out.
I
I was just telling them, you remember how like in school it was so easy to get hard. Like you would, as a kid, you would just get hard for everything, right? But sometimes some memory from school will get you hard now. like if you meet someone from school
Yeah.
who used to get hard about,
Yes.
if you meet them.
Yeah.
Them.
Them.
Not even one person.
I-
they them.
They them, he's
they
saying.
them, bro.
No, this is what happened. You were talking about masturbation stories. We were listening.
Yes,
That's what
yes,
happened. I
yes.
remember
And
now.
then you said, let's send a photo to MTV. To change the topic is like, let me replace one
This
cringe
is
with
like,
another.
this is like interesting story. Like you guys are on a different trip, huh?
Oh, we were
We
on
were
a different
having
trip.
fun,
You
dude.
were not there, no?
Yeah, I was
You
there.
were. It was your wedding.
Yeah.
Dude, that Captain Obvious was everywhere,
Funny,
saying
bro,
the
very
same.
funny
He,
guy.
he
Fun
came
guy.
and told you all these
Hilarious.
things. huh?
Like we got a lot
Hilarious.
of good like comeback quality जो एक term होता है ना जैसे Anil Skok. Mr.
Oh
Obvious.
yeah. don't start with the punchline, bro. Tell the setup.
What was the setup?
I'm like
I forgot.
Chappelle, bro. मैं punchline बता दूँगा.
I
And I'll say it in
And
the
then
end.
you'll not see it coming.
Yeah.
You know about it. No, you also don't know,
No,
right?
no, I don't
so
know
what
about these
happened?
stories, man.
We
Yeah.
were in Kanpur.
Hmm.
Everything was vegetarian, right? So
Yeah.
we were thinking we will go somewhere and have non-veg food, right? So we searched,
Hmm.
and the nearest shop, the restaurant name was Anil's Meat. So
And when we were drunk,
And he
right?
sells chicken also,
It changed
so
to
it's-
Anil's Cock.
yeah. So Anil's cock was chicken. That's what Anil's roosters.
Anil's Roosters.
Dude, we couldn't we were hungover. That's why we didn't go. Otherwise, we were planning.
We were planning to go.
Yeah, I remember this.
Yeah.
That next day you guys.
Yeah.
So we were like, everybody, this guy comes in and asks the first question, who is planning to go to Anil's cock now? Like, come on, man, we're not going.
You know what? The room that you and Anand were staying, the bed was bad. The
हाँ,
spring
dude,
was
every
broken.
room.
Our room was fine. Separate was. So
Single
मेरे
beds were
रूम में
good.
भी हम लोग ऐसे लेटेगा धस जाएगा पूरा
हाँ,
बेड में वो
single
हो रहा था।
beds were fine.
That's every hotel's room, bro.
No, this
nowadays.
was extremely bad because Anand was complaining and I'm like this. city motherfucker guy. I switched beds with him. I'm like, you sleep in my bed, bro. I'll sleep there. Next day I couldn't woke up.
Now I need a doctor.
Because what they do is in name of comfort they make it very springy,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
और आदत नहीं है वैसे बेड पे सोने का
Yeah.
because we sleep
Bro,
थोड़ा
वो
सा
bed पे you know that.
नहीं
There's
वो
a lot of
उसी
things has happened on that bed. That bed is
that
like
is for alt Balaji bed.
Yeah.
That is
Alt Balaji bed. Nice. Perfect.
Balaji bed. Perfect, dude. Yeah.
I didn't have back pain, so now I'm.
no.
Yeah.
Probably you slept on someone, not on the bed.
Whoa, dude, don't do it, bro.
Could
Trust
be.
me.
Actually, I think to cover the wedding, we need at least one day. Just keep talking. Like I didn't know about a lot of angles, man, which you guys were talking about.
You were the groom.
Yeah.
Yeah,
How will you know all this?
You don't need to know, man.
Yeah.
If you can't have fun at a wedding, dude. Your own wedding, you can't have fun.
Plus,
Yeah.
there are so many other things which we should not be saying on camera. So we will talk about it later.
Can't talk on camera.
So
Yeah. What were you saying? What else you were saying? Instead of bomb stories?
what happened? Post-wedding stories.
Post-wedding stories.
Because there are so many other things you have to do, right? It's just not the wedding.
Yeah, man. After that, it's damn hectic.
Yeah.
Yeah, especially we travel by train, right? So like we realized that the number of luggage that we had was huge, right? After like coming back also.
So from Kanpur, you are going to Jamshedpur.
Kanpur to Bokaro.
Kanpur to Bokaro, train
Yeah.
you have booked.
Train journey.
How many people?
Yeah. These are around 40 people. Around
40 people?
So you
40
booked
people.
one compartment.
No, we
No?
didn't need that. No. 40 people.
Okay.
Yeah.
Half the compartment.
And and people had like we counted with like 75 luggage items, okay, and we had to get down at Bokaro at 2:15 a.m.
I think at
Okay,
75 you have to book the luggage bogie.
Voila.
2:15
a.m. Yeah, and you know what happened? We started collecting the luggage to just take it out, and we had no coolie and all of we realized. Okay. And जब luggage हम लोग निकाल रहे थे ना, so by mistake we took out luggage of few other people also, the passengers also. Okay, and then we like
That's why you book the whole bogie, bro.
Yeah.
Dude, that is a great fucking story for stealing stuff. Like like that story where
Yeah.
बारात आई थी और और लोगों के सामान चुरा के ले गए.
That's a great way actually.
Bro, Bharat bandits. That's
Bharat
bandit,
bro. There you go, bro. Who's calling Amazon?
He knows people.
He knows people, bro. He knows people in all Balaji, by the way.
So we were doing this, and by mistake, I was like, "This is not ours." Then we used to wake up the passengers like, "Is it yours?" They're like, "Yeah, this is ours. Don't take this." That all thing that happened.
Yeah, because when you're traveling in a big group, you don't know which bag is yours in your group only.
Yeah,
That is like you
correct.
have to every time like, is it ours?
Yeah.
Is it ours? Did you guys do a head count of the number of people who got down from the
no,
train?
after a point, I was like, just take care of yourself and the luggage. That's it.
Yeah,
I'm
you have
not
to do
going
that.
to-
You
Yeah,
have to
that
do
is
that.
true.
It's
You
difficult.
can't, like how many people you take care of, bro?
Dude, you
This is
get
crazy.
so much panic attacks and all unnecessarily.
2:15
Men in
AM.
the family take care of your family. The rest we will figure out.
Yeah.
होता ही ब्रो लाइक मेरी शादी जब हुई तो उसके बाद हम लोग अपने फ्लाइट से वापस पहुंच गए बैंगलोर एंड मेरे जो मामा वगैरह थे दे हैड टू गो टेक अ ट्रेन बैक टू बिहार ओके दिल्ली से सो
Doesn't sound good.
It doesn't bro I'll tell you why because there were so many people एक बच्ची घूम गई मिल गई वापस डोंट वरी
Okay.
दिस डजंट एंड इन लाइक अ सैड स्टोरी यू जस्ट सिटिंग लाइक दिस ऑल ऑफ
बच्ची घूम गई ठीक है फिर हम लोग बैंगलोर आ गए थे तो गए नहीं
या हम लोग है कि अब तो हम पहुंच गए बैंगलोर
Imagine इससे बच्चे घूम गए. Thank you guys. That's the end of the podcast.
But
Wow.
dude, for like 10 minutes, insane panic. समझ रहा है तू सामान तो चलो खरीद लोगे तुम
Yeah,
बच्ची
yeah,
घूम गई है
yeah,
सामान के
Yeah,
चक्कर
so
में
we were returning, after the wedding, and my in-laws were just like, they had just seen Lapata ladies, okay? So
they were just checking यही है
कोई घूंघट नहीं डालेगा
कोई घूंघट नहीं डालेगा।
घूंघट निकालो
सब अपना घूंघट हटाओ यहाँ से
just don't lose.
दूसरे के दुल्हन के घूंघट पे हटा दिए मतलब आप भी
ये वाली आपकी है क्या? ये हमारी है.
What if it does this? There's a guy.
Like they were doing the same thing with the luggage. Also, ये आपका?
ये
ये आपका?
One year we're making people are like, "ये आपका है?" तो बोलता, "अभी तो पूछ के गया था." हाँ, मेरा है.
Yeah, only one person has to ask. If multiple people are asking, they will be pissed.
That's the thing.
Dude, that mama thing reminded me.
हाँ,
because
then
my
what happened?
mama, no, so वो तो बच्ची तो मिल गई वापस.
कैसे मिली? I mean,
She was there like वहीं पे इधर-उधर घूम रही थी.
Oh,
They
अच्छा,
looked
अच्छा.
around and they found her. Thankfully, मतलब दिल्ली स्टेशन पे बच्ची को वापस ढूंढ लेना is is a huge
It's a
achievement.
huge achievement.
वो
That girl should crack IAS now.
बजरंगी भाईजान उठा के पाकिस्तान छोड़ा.
वापस छोड़ के आता.
मूवी के नेम is पीयूष भाईजान.
यूनुस भाईजान हो जाता bro. बजरंगी भाईजान.
That's what I was thinking today. Imagine if you in that she can't speak, right?
Yeah,
If
what-
you have to be 100% sure she's from Pakistan.
Yeah.
Drop some random.
Drop some random chick in
What the
Pakistan.
fuck, dude? I just like Shahid Afridi. Dude, I'm not from Pakistan.
Yeah, she was just watching cricket and celebrating. They're like,
Yeah,
Pakistan.
yeah.
I like this guy.
Dude,
what's
thank
wrong?
God she like Shahid Afridi, not some fucking Mitchell Marsh or someone.
Dude, that would be better.
That-
After she reached Pakistan, she was like, man, I should have celebrated at least in a Western country.
Western country.
Joe Root का six
Joe
celebrate
Root.
She's like, I had one chance.
That is Dunky, right? Joe Root.
Yeah, Joe Root is
Oh.
donkey, dude.
Donkey, bro.
Yeah.
London.
So that Mama thing reminded me.
Yeah.
I was watching my Bharat ka video, okay, and so COVID ka time tha. This was Omicron time. So people were like
2022.
2022. So people were like fuck Omicron.
21.
What is Omicron? Huh?
Yeah.
ऐसे मतलब that
No,
is the-
21 is Delta, bro.
Delta, bro.
Yeah.
Actually, what is
January,
Omicron? I
and
don't.
people
22
like-
January. Same. I
like
went to my
Omicron
friend's
की माँ का
wedding.
ऐसे वैसे हो गए थे लोग, ठीक है? तो we
Yeah.
were at the wedding. This is in Greater Noida, okay?
Seriously, dude. Omicron की माँ का. We were fed up with COVID.
I know.
Yeah.
This in hindsight you can say all those things, right? Because you stayed alive.
Yeah.
So बारात है and हम लोग मास्क वास्क पहन के गए थे. तो my मामा वो तो बिहार से आए थे bro. He doesn't understand COVID, death,
Or
all those
mask.
things.
Yeah.
No mask.
COVID, death,
or
and
mask.
robots.
No mask. COVID, death and robots bro. Coming on Netflix.
Yeah.
तो मामा है पहले तो सबका मास्क छीन लिया था उन लोगों ने फर्स्ट डे कि कोई नहीं पहनेगा. जैसे घूंघट का नहीं कर रहे थे वो मास्क का कर रहे थे ऐसे. फिर मैंने देखा वीडियो में some uncle came to meet my dad. वो मेरे डैड के एंट्री मेट थे एयरफोर्स के. बारात में आए थे वो. And my mama has never met this guy before, okay? And there is a video जिसमें वो नाचते हुए ऐसे वीडियो में आते हैं और उनके मुंह से मास्क छीन के भाग जाते हैं. And this guy's like,
Bro, this you
What?
need practice for this, like. Bro.
it is so fucking it's like out of some fucking utopian series bro. क्योंकि वो आराम से चल रहे हैं मास्क पहन के एक बंदा नाचते हुए आता है ऐसे मुंह से ऐसे छीन के भाग के चला गया.
Bro, this is efficient chain snatching.
Man, like, why is mask so triggering for him?
I don't know, he can't stand कि तुम
There's
डरते हो क्या?
something has happened with a mask. Was he robbed with the guy with the mask?
I don't know bro.
When he was a kid, did a mask uncle did
I don't know.
something to him? Something.
I think it fucking I think it questions his manhood.
Yeah. Ego hurt.
Ego
I'm
वाला
not
bro.
weak.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you need practice for
Or
that.
he listens to Joe Rogan.
Which is great bro.
Joe Rogan.
Joe Rogan
from
fan.
Bihar.
One mutton Rogan Joe bro.
Mutton Rogan Joe.
I was waiting for it.
Oh man.
Train by night.
Patna by day.
Patna by day. Joe Rogan by night.
Patna by day.
Nice.
No, that's true. Today, when I was home during COVID, even I was I was like, they were looking at me like, how did our kid become so like weak? I was just pissed at everybody. Just wear a mask. Just wear a mask.
And also, if you go to your hometown and you're wearing mask, they know you are an outsider.
They think you're gay. That's what.
I was trying to avoid that word. That is true.
That's what this thing, bro.
Yeah. Yeah. But in weddings,
We
like,
try to avoid that word so much.
Yeah.
But you can't, bro.
But in weddings, you ever had like where something gets stolen,
Huh.
and then in videos you find out in one of our some relatives'
Oh,
wedding it happened.
wow.
So interesting, dude.
Feels crazy, bro.
Some ring got displaced, right? First they thought displaced, and they started looking. Man, the videographer was taking, and somehow he caught it, dude. He
So
caught.
the relative had taken the ring.
Yeah, somebody took it. Whoever, not relative, far off, extended family, whatever.
That's a relative.
Relative. That's a relative. Yeah. Not our side. It's some other side.
Oh, I'm sure some other relative.
Some other. My relative's relative.
That's relative.
That is exciting, bro. That is exciting.
That is
Something
so
like
bad.
that happens.
Yeah.
Did you guys beat him up and all?
No, it's when you find the word gets out, they are embarrassed, dude. Embarrassment is the biggest.
That's the time to
Yeah,
beat
yeah.
them up.
No,
so
we
they
don't.
don't forget
Bro,
about
that's
it.
the thing. If you beat them up, then they're like, now it's even.
Yeah.
Now I'm back
I
in the
can
family.
keep this. You beat me up,
Yeah,
so I can keep
yeah.
this.
Now I'll wear this ring in front of you.
Yeah, I think that is a good argument.
That's
if
a
you
good
beat
argument.
me up for stealing something, that's mine.
That's mine.
Yeah.
What?
But if you don't beat them, if you treat them like a
Yeah,
social pariah
yeah.
now, that's worse.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's like
They'll have that
if you
guilt.
steal, rob a bank and you like paise uda diya, then you go to jail. You don't have to return that money.
Yes,
Right?
it's like that.
It's, I think so. I have no idea.
But,
I mean,
but if I return the
from
money,
whatever
don't
law
spend-
we know.
Whatever law I have read.
but if I return the money, I shouldn't go to jail.
If you return the money, you just pay the interest of whatever
You
time
just
you
tell
have
them
to
that
yes.
no, your system was weak. That's why I could steal it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Give me
Yeah.
money now.
Yeah, you put it on them.
Yes,
Yeah.
Sir,
yes.
आपकी गलती
How
है.
dare
gaslight
you?
them.
Yeah, imagine I could snatch the chain from your neck. It's your
Yeah.
fault.
Yeah.
Yeah, why do you have a neck, huh?
But
Why do you have a neck?
चेन छीन ले यू टर्न लेके वापस कर जाते
Yeah,
क्या
yeah.
कर रहे हो
Yeah, yeah.
that's an entertaining thing, man. To do.
That's how.
That's a great startup, bro.
yeah
That's how
yeah,
Antik, I'm saying. Ankit Fadia.
Uncle,
Oh yeah, he
That's
told
how
all
he
the
started his
stories,
company.
ethical chain snatcher.
He's an ethical chain snatcher. Yeah.
ethical change
He'll hack your website and like your website can be hacked.
Yeah,
Give me,
but
I'll fix it.
Google and all they reward you if you can hack them and
Yeah.
tell them
Yeah,
they,
Facebook also.
Facebook, yeah.
That's how they hire ethical hackers.
nice yeah
No, but this guy was
But
a
this
fraud.
guy,
like,
Ankit
they
Fadia
found out.
started that shit.
Yeah, yeah.
This guy was a fraud, is what
Fraud, yeah.
people later found out.
What-
Because he used to just say that, I've been
Correct,
awarded
correct.
something
Kuch
on
mila
that.
nahi.
Correct.
This was when
Nobody used to
internet
verify
was
it.
very
Yeah.
new, right? People
Yeah,
didn't check.
yeah.
Nobody used to verify it.
Exactly.
Then he was like, you know what, I helped during 9/11 also. Then
Yes.
whoa.
Helped in 9/11.
Helped
Yeah.
in 9/11.
Yeah. One of the footage, right? One of the camera angles, you know, bro.
that is the problem dude when people are believing it right keep it like realistic line.
Yeah, yeah.
don't
Don't
make
go-
it
go-
No, I
overboard,
think this was
yeah.
a tipping point. I think after 9/11,
Yeah.
like, what the fuck?
No, the tipping point was when he said that I helped NASA
Hmm.
track their lost satellite
Imagine.
using their website, and NASA responded, no.
No, I don't think so, Uncle.
nothing is lost bro it's there
He
right?
thought
We have other satellites to find our lost satellite.
Imagine Ankit Fadia has figured this out, okay, this scam, and then he doesn't even know how to operate a computer. That's
Could
the
be.
best thing.
His
Man.
books were selling.
Yeah,
They were
sold out
teaching
now.
his books
Yeah,
in
yeah.
colleges.
Dude,
Yeah.
NIT सूरतकल में he did some fucking.
yeah,
सोच
yeah.
NIT को चूतिया बना रहा है बच्चा.
But I wouldn't blame
Imagine-
Ankit Fadia for that.
yeah,
Imagine
It's
graduate,
NIT's problem.
imagine graduating from a college जिसको कोई
चूतिया बना के
के चला गया.
This is
Yeah,
Your
so-
degree is useless.
Yeah, Ankit, the problem है ही नहीं. This is like NIT's problem. Like,
Yeah,
that
it's
is what I'm
so easy
saying.
to
That's what he's
fool
saying.
you.
कि-
But
This same chain
did he
snatching वाला
seriously
thing,
say
yeah.
that NASA I helped track NASA satellite with their website? Did he seriously?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
fixed the website so that they were able to track it. He didn't track it.
Why?
Imagine
He
NASA is
thinks
tracking
we-
through
he
Facebook.
thinks we don't have internet. That's the problem, right?
Dude, that
Earlier-
time
Huh.
people didn't have actually.
No,
Only
no,
few
this
people
is-
had.
Ankit Fadia was like when I was in college, 2013, 15.
No,
Internet was
before that.
Before that.
This is before that.
This is
2007.
bro-
Even
man.
when I was in standard 5, he was
Those are
No, he
popular.
was
Arts Nokia
popular.
level.
When did he get caught? I'm pretty sure when I was in college, he didn't get caught. He was still popular.
Okay, like that you're saying.
So he
Yeah.
got
Yeah.
caught around 13, 14.
Huh.
maybe.
Yes,
Mid
correct,
2010s,
correct,
yeah.
correct.
Because I had graduated.
Right around the
by
time
12.
when internet came to everyone.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes,
But-
just
before
Yeah.
Jio, huh?
In
Like,
fact,
like some one guy was waiting to get internet on his phone. He had all the proof. He was upload नहीं कर पा रहा था.
But I think he made his money, man. I think
Of course, he
his
made
Yeah,
his money.
yeah.
That's all
he
that
had
matters.
he had an institute where he was like
That-
training.
Was it called
ethical-
NIT Suratkal?
ethical hackers.
Yeah, like that IIPM guy, dude.
Oh.
Arindam
Oh,
Paul.
Arindam Chaudhary.
Arindam Chaudhary.
Sorry, Arindam Chaudhary. Why did I say Paul?
What a...
Who's Arindam Paul?
I don't know, bro.
There's a comic.
Who is
There
Yeah,
is a singer, bro,
secrets.
Arindam Paul.
Singer?
It's a Indian Idol में एक singer आता है Arindam Paul. I think
Wow. I am offended that you remember this.
This guy, dude. Yeah.
You have no idea what all I remember, bro.
He came 7th or 8th.
Yeah.
First 2 season I remember, bro.
Do you
I remember
listen,
first
do you
three
listen to
seasons, yeah.
like singers who didn't make it to Indian Idol top 5 or something like that? You have that
No,
fetish?
No. Rahul Vaidya.
Fetish.
No. Rahul Vaidya.
Yeah, you have it, right?
Yeah,
You
yeah.
have it. This guy has
Man,
it.
Indian Idol fetish.
Fetish, bro. It's like he gets all naked and
I went to Indian Idol too. That's why I have that.
You auditioned Indian Idol too?
Two, yeah.
Well, how far did
Very
you go?
initial rounds, bro. Initial, just 2 rounds.
And how long did you wait in line?
No, I didn't wait at all.
he paid, bro.
The
ज़्यादा पैसे
money
देके-
thing.
I didn't know that, bro. Why didn't you call me, dude?
Audition was happening at Tirupati.
I got some pass or something because of which I didn't have to like stay in the queue.
That's what they do, right? In the later, when it was so popular, people would stand. One of the crew member would come and ask people, sing. He will select.
Yeah.
And
Correct,
then
correct.
you go for the audition.
Yeah, so
And
that's what
that
happened
crew
with
member
me
has
also.
no credibility.
He has no credibility.
He's just there.
Yeah,
He's
that's
just
what
like
happened.
Yeah.
some regular
It
open micer.
could be us.
Yeah.
It could be one of
He's
us.
like, he's just हाँ कितना अच्छा सुना है
Yeah, he
मैंने.
just
That's
has a tag Indian Idol. That's
Yeah.
all.
That's what happened
Pass.
with me also. I sang in front of some guy. He gave me a pass one day in advance. I went directly.
Which song
without-
did you sing?
That I have to think. I think
No,
there's
you
some-
remember, bro.
think.
You
Yeah,
remember.
Oh, he'll think of a good song.
Papa
some-
कहते
no, no.
हैं बड़ा.
some song,
Some Kumar
Aryan or
Sanu song,
something.
bro, I'm
So what
sure.
happened was I sang. He didn't listen to it the first time.
Yeah.
Okay, then I again went to the queue to sing again. And there was a guy behind me. He was like, "You just sang, right?" I was like, "Yeah, but he didn't listen."
Oh, फिर से सुनो.
Oh, that guy is like वो बार-बार audition दे सकते हैं.
Then I sang again. Then this time he was listening. He was like,
Nice.
Like
"Okay,
you keep
get the
singing
pass."
till they select you. That's how you.
Nice. There is no thing called rejection.
So, it would be so funny if you made it there, dude. It was so fucking funny if you were just like alone now.
He would be judged by now.
Could you imagine like different timeline? No, Abhinav here.
No,
it's just
Abhinav,
me.
no. We wouldn't have gone to Kanpur. What were we
Yeah.
talking about?
What are we talking
But
about?
you know what happened? Indian Idol 2, the winner. I
Dude.
think he's no more. I think something happened.
No, that is Indian Idol 8 or 9. He
Two,
dived
two.
into the... No, not
Two.
2.
No, 2.
Bro,
He's
two.
right, bro. That's Sardar.
The
guy,
Sardar,
Indian
he's
Idol
Not
two.
Sardar guy. It was Sandeep something. Sandeep
Sardar
Acharya.
guy.
Sandeep Acharya.
No, Sandeep Acharya भी था. एक
Second.
सरदार बंदा
Sandeep
था.
Acharya is alive, bro. He's
No.
from
Oh, sorry.
Rajasthan.
There was another show जिसमें सरदार बंदा जीता था.
हाँ.
वो भी डूब के मर गया था ऐसे.
वो
swimming
पानी
pool
में, swimming pool पे.
Yeah, but
हाँ.
this guy had some
Yeah, Sandeep Acharya was
jaundice or
different.
something he
उसका
got.
कुछ अलग scene.
Yeah.
Jaundice? I had
Yeah.
twice, bro. I'm fine. Like,
Yeah, I mean,
dude, I
also
got
depends on what stage of life you get jaundice.
Dude, who dies from jaundice, dude?
Yo,
Come on.
bro, your
People
body is the
do
answer.
die,
I
bro.
think.
Dude, what's next, dude? Common cold or he passed away from common cold?
Common cold.
Dude, that is so lame. Like your family can't tell people that he died of jaundice.
लेकिन ना तेज छींक के मर गया.
My condolences. क्या हुआ था jaundice?
The better ways to die.
Jaundice.
Like my grandmother did this. Like I was walking her. She was like very slow, so I was walking her. One old lady comes, and my grandmother knows her. So they are talking, and that lady says कि my son passed away, and my grandmother started crying immediately. एकदम वहीं पे फूट के रोने लग गई. And थोड़ी देर बाद then she's like, what happened? And she said कि he was drunk driving.
Oh.
And my immediately I saw the tears went up back in the eyes.
Wow,
Tenet की तरह.
Your grandmother is like very different kind of empathy, dude.
मरेगा ही ना.
मरेगा ही ना bench.
Wow, holy shit.
Then you get angry
That's
at him.
brutal.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is brutal.
Brutal,
man.
bro.
That is brutal. Just son just died, bro. That lady's son just died.
My grandma got pissed like you.
Yeah.
Man,
you wasted
old
my
people
tears.
with no filter. I love
Best,
them,
bro,
dude.
best.
This is when your question change. You're like, okay, drunk drive कर रहा था, but खुद मरा किसी और को नहीं मारा ना, like something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. She has no empathy for if you die with like some doing bad things.
Stupidity.
Yeah.
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 Just
What's the time check? Check it. Well, I think we good hour. We can put
Yeah.
out an hour. Perfect. Just sit down. We'll just wrap it up. 1 घंटा, bro. We'll just
Perfect, bro.
yeah, we'll cut it to 1 hour.
1 hour.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
perfect. I think उससे
Yours,
ज़्यादा कोई
baby, bro.
देखेगा नहीं यार. Perfect. All right. Thank you guys for doing this podcast. We'll
Right, right.
do
Thank
this
you guys
again.
for
Calling us,
coming.
bro.
Yes.
Keep calling
Uh,
us.
We are
Brothers.
Bambas
Yes,
now.
yes.
Yes.
You are part of Bambas. You guys.
We are Bambas now.
You guys
We're
want to
Bambas.
plug in your podcast to our 150 subscribers?
Well, how many do we have? 23.
Yeah, 23, bro. I think we can take some of them.
Yeah.
Guys, we have a podcast.
Plug in your
called-
IDs also. Instagram
Oh yeah.
IDs.
My Instagram ID is piyush.kumar_.
There's 2 special characters.
Piyush Kumar _. Everything else was taken. Bro.
Yeah, was all taken.
Oh shit. Piyush Kumar is a different name, bro.
Yeah.
It's like a tough name to
Yeah,
not be taken.
both are very common.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Abhinav
Mine
Anand,
is
you're
Abhinav 15 Anand.
He made it when he was 15, so
Yeah,
that's why the
Abhinav
15.
15 Anand. Podcast, plug in your podcast.
Yeah, it's called Comedians Driving to Shows, and it's like a podcast shot in a car.
Yeah,
And
they have the
that's it.
costliest,
The costliest studio ever.
Yeah.
Because that is what it is. Like we used to drive together to.
The studio costs 45 lakhs, right?
Yeah, dude. We have 1 subscriber per lakh. Per lakh spent. Proud. हमारे subscriber की value बहुत ज़्यादा है.
Yeah, definitely.
next time we'll talk about like comedians driving to bad shows.
Bad shows,
That's
yeah,
what
yeah.
We'll talk about.
Yeah.
Alright guys, thank you so much.
Thank you guys. Bye bye.
Thank you guys.
Bye.
Bye.